So 20 movies down, 20 movies to go to fill the 40 movies quota. I'm thinking about adding 10 movies per day that passes. So I'm guessing like the quality will be going down a bit, even though I'm holding kick-ass content quality for the world. So I don't know, you know, as long as I'm having fun, I guess that's important. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So, what I've come to understand, okay, having goals, small goals, big goals. Like, okay, now I'm going to do this. Focus, get it done. Have a look on the results. Be proud, be happy, feel powerful, move on, and so on. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's good. But we're going to talk a bit more about something else. Feeling motivated when you are waiting for paradise and don't see paradise, you know? I don't know if you can relate, but that's a hard one. Okay. Many blessings. God bless. Bye bye.